The audition is made up of a series of short sentences. Read aloud naturally and at a comfortable pace. Try not to read too slow, too fast, too monotone, or too animated. For each sentence, click Record, then begin speaking. To stop recording, press the same button. Notice that the Record button turns into the Stop button while recording. Your body's central organ is your heart. The visual display also shows you that your sound is being detected. If it's moving, we're in good shape. If you don't see anything, make sure that your recording setup or internet connection has not changed. For the first few sentences, we recommend that you listen to each recording by clicking the play button. Your body's central organ is your heart. That sounds good, so I'll click Next. Your personality's central organ is your voice. Your personality's central organ is your voice. We finished. Take a bow.